Hi friends! Welcome to my channel Painting Hyun. I try to make this channel for people to paint easier no matter where they live in the world. If this is you, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. For today's painting, I will show you how to paint maple leaf and how to use masking fluid. Here are my materials: masking fluid, clips, my beautiful palette, and two of Raphael matte brush and 2H pencil for sketching. This is masking fluid, so first step is cover the leaves part with masking fluid. Almost cover the leaves with masking fluid, so we need to wait for masking fluid dry. And masking fluid all dried, so apply water the ground of whole area. I wanna use wet on wet technique in background, and I wanna get abstract effect, so take some phthalo blue and turquoise green. Also, I'm gonna get the ultramarine deep, so these colors are mixing, spreading, and together. And then finally these colors will make the fantastic colors. Also, I'm adding orange and burnt sienna. These colors, orange mix burnt sienna, and also getting more dark bluish color on the background. And then shaking the paper back and forth can create nature painting by spreading and blending colors. Also, I'm going to use spreader technique. I want to get more abstract effect. Okay, we need to wait for paper dry. So paper all dried, so we can take out the masking fluid. Use eraser for masking fluid, or you can use masking tape. This is masking tape. Okay, next we're gonna paint three of main leaves, and then in the distance small leaves. I'm apply the clean water on the leaf area. First the leaves. This is green mix yellow and yellow ochre. These colors apply on the top of the leaves. Next, I'm adding orange and burnt sienna into bottom of the leaves. Actually, orange, yellow, yellow ochre, and burnt sienna, all these colors good match in autumn season. So that's autumn colors, right? And this is the clip. Draw the line in the leaf with clip and then paint on the edge of the leaf shape with brownish orange. You can use any sharp object instead of these clips. I'm taking some orange and burnt sienna mix, so a little bit darker than and thicker than before colors. I want to make more beautiful colors and autumn season colors. I mainly use color burnt sienna and yellow ochre and orange, mixing together. I'm adding a little bit of green and brown colors, like dots. Next, second leaves, a sort of green mix brown. We can get a sort of olive green. This is the clip. So I want to draw the line in the lip with clip, and also you can use palette knife. You can use any kind of sharp object. I painted the second lips, same techniques and different colors. Okay, I'm done. Third lips. This leaf is far in the distance, so I paint it a little lighter orange colors. And then you do not necessarily draw in detail for far in the distance leaves. We cannot see clearly. Okay, this is the final touch-up for maple leaves. Take out some part of the color with clean brushes. Take off the color. If you want to draw more in detail or add some specific part, yeah, you can add some colors or take out any colors. Okay, we are all done this painting. Please give it a try. See you next time. Bye!